Our home base in Sorrento is the stunning Grand Excelsior Vittoria, a private oasis with breathtaking views, beautiful grounds, and 5-star service. Our day begins with a drive to the seaside town of Amalfi to visit one of the oldest and most well-known bakeries in the area, Pasticceria Panza. Fifth-generation family member Andrea Panza treated us to a demonstration of how they expertly craft several of their most popular specialties, including delizie al limone that celebrate the flavor of the region, lemon. After a short drive to Vietri sul Mare, we visited one of the beautiful workshops where iconic pottery is handcrafted and painted on site. We didn't miss the chance to stop at a family-owned granita stand for a refreshing treat of icy cold granita and to take in the amazing scenery on a hot day. It's been a long and busy day, but being back at the Excelsior is like a destination in and of itself. Enjoying a beautiful sunset aperitivo on the patio is the perfect way to end what has been a deliciously magical day.